How to sign out Samsung account from other devices. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can easily sign out your Samsung account from any other devices that you might be logged in. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to sign out the Samsung account from other devices, you just need to head over to the settings app from your Samsung phone, and then simply go ahead and tap on your Samsung account at the very top. You just need to go ahead and tap on this and then scroll down, and you'll get to see the option devices. Go ahead and tap on this, and once you tap on this, you'll get to see all the devices that your current Samsung account has been logged in. I only have one device logged in, that means this device. So if you have other devices, you'll get to see the list right over here. So just go ahead and select the device that you want to log out your Samsung account for, and once you're inside this one, you can go ahead and tap on this sign out button at the bottom right, and this will give you the prompt, and go and tap on sign out button and go through this process, and your Samsung account will be signed out from that specific device. It's super easy. Hope you find it helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.